Hello, today we're going to have a short mini step tutorial, probably just about 12 steps on basic use of Audacity, which is a audio editing program. Today we're going to take some narrative, combine it with some background music that's been downloaded, and mix it into Audacity for later using in Windows Media. First, open Audacity. Now that I have this opened, I'm going to have to go through and begin by recording my core beliefs in education. I'm going to record this, make sure that I have my mic set up and it's ready to go. Here I have my record buttons, my stop buttons. And one of the first things I want to do is make sure that I've already rehearsed. I have rehearsed, and I know that I need this later to combine with some pictures, and I need about 12 seconds because I'm putting 10 pictures in to go for 2 minutes. And so after I complete each sentence, I'm going to just give a pause, so later whenever I put the pictures with it, you'll actually be able to have that transition time. So let me begin. Hello, my name is Steve Brody, and these are my core beliefs in education. I believe that all children can learn. I believe things need to make sense to students. I believe teachers should build on what students already know. Okay, I went ahead and stopped there. I'm not going to do all 10 like you would because I'm just doing this tutorial very short. But at this point, now I've recorded, I can go down here and slide back or forth. You can see that it goes past the screen. So I can go up here and right here, and take this minus or plus and make it larger or small. So I'm reducing this down so I can see it and work with it, okay? Now that I have this in here, I can place my cursor and then left click, and this is a starting point. Now I can either hit the space bar or go up here and hit play. Hello, my name is Steve Brody, and these are my core beliefs in education. So I can go through and listen to it. It sounds pretty decent to me. So now I'm going to go and take a bit of audio background music that I've already created. You can go someplace like CC Mixter, other areas to get some copyright-free music. And here I will go to File, Import, Audio. And it just so happens that this is the audio that I'm going to put in. So I'll open this up and it's just going to drop this audio right in. Now I want you to see that if I go back, you can see here's where I was talking. This is all my audio. There's a whole lot more audio background music that I need. But if I just left click and drag, I can highlight that whole piece right there. And I'm just going to hit the delete key, and now I've got rid of all that music. It's just a standard repeating type music in the background, so it doesn't really matter where it begins or ends. So I've cut that now to be in the same time length as my narrative. One of the problems I have now is if you think of this in terms of strength, there's my voice, and here is the music. So I'm going to hit play on this, and you're going to hear this music really strong. You're going to barely hear my voice. So I'll go back here, left click, here, and then hit play. You see, you can just barely hear myself speak. So to fix this, I'm going to select this background music right here, go up, hit Effect, and if you look, Amplify here, I'm going to take that, but I'm going to amplify in a negative direction. So I'm going to put in something like, let's say, -6. Hit OK. You can still see that looks like it may still be too much. So I'm going to go, I can do Control Undo or do over. Okay, so we'll go up here, Edit, Undo Amplify. I'm going to go to Effect, Amplify. This time I'm going to go to, let's say, -9. Get this okay. Now I'm going to go back and listen to it and see how it sounds. Oh, that's still loud. So let's try this one more time. Edit, Undo, Effect, Amplify. This time I'm going to go really big. Let's say -15. Okay. Now that's starting to look better. Let's take a listen to this.
My name is Steve Bruni, and these are my core beliefs in education. I believe that all children can learn.
Okay. I'm pretty satisfied with that. I'd still like a little bit lower, so I'm going to do it one more time. Go to Effect, Amplify. Let's go to -17 now. Okay, now that's looking pretty good. Let me hit play.
My name is Steve Bruni, and these are my core beliefs in education. I believe that all children...
Okay, that sounds pretty good. Now, one other thing that I want to do, I'm going to go up here and hit plus, plus to enlarge this a little bit more to look at it. I want to take a place right here at the beginning and end, because if I go over here and listen to this, you're going to hear, you can just hear that music still strong. So I'm going to take the last couple of seconds, and I'm going to highlight the last couple of those seconds. Let's say, see, you can see I'm not talking right there, so I'll take those seconds right there, right? I'm going to go to Effect, and I'm just going to simply go down here and hit Fade Out. And you watch over there on the right what happens. See how it shrunk down? Do the same thing here at the beginning. Right here, except I'm going to go to Effect, Fade In. Now watch it, it's going to get small at the first and then get larger. Okay? So now if I listen to it right here,
Hello.
you hear it get a little louder. Now I'm going to go right over here, and it cut out. And that's basically it. Just go back and listen to it, see how it sounds. And we do want to do this. I'm going to go ahead and do Save Project. This allows me to come back and work on it later if I want to. I will give it a name. Let's say Test 10. So I saved that, but it's in the file type for Audacity. What I want to do now, though, is I want to export. This is going to allow me to use this in some other program, and we're going to use it in Windows Movie Maker. So I would go down here. I can have different file types. I'm going to save it as a WAV to work in Movie Maker. So this one I will just put audio 10. I'm going to hit save here. Okay. Just okay on all that. That was just telling me that piece of music, it was giving me the information on that music. Now that I have this, I'm just going to simply close out of this, and I can go into here, video editing, and if I do audio 10, and I click on this, this is my piece of audio. And at this time it's playing through my headphones, so I am sure that it's playing, so I'm all set up to go. So I am ready now to go to Windows Movie Maker. Thank you.